Hi, this is Hallie Puckett with My Current Event for April 6, 2018. I did My Current Event on how a Utah family sued the Boy Scouts. This all got started when the Boy Scouts of America accepted 15-year-old Logan Blythe's Eagle Scout project, then denied it and waived all his previous merit badges in the process. The family was very upset and decided to sue. Logan's father, Chad Blythe, said, "This decision amounts to discrimination." The Blythe family of Utah sued the Boy Scouts for discrimination, a very valid decision given the circumstances. According to the Salt Lake Tribune, Blythe is asking for at least $1 in damages and for his son to be reinstated and accommodated with the Boy Scouts. The family is suing the Boy Scouts of America Foundation, the National Boy Scouts of America Foundation, the Utah National Parks Council, and individuals working for the council. The lawsuit began because Logan Blythe, who has Down syndrome, had to have certain merit badge requirements altered for him. Logan's parents also assisted him in meeting some of the badge requirements. The local Scout leaders decided to allow this. When Logan's Eagle Scout project was submitted to the Utah National Parks Council, a chartered partner with the Boy Scouts of America, his project was approved. Just a day later, however, the Blythes received a terrible email suspending Logan's project and all of the merit badges Logan had earned since graduating to Boy Scout from Cub Scouts. Due to the altered requirements for the badges, the email explained that certain policies made the badges no longer valid, so Logan could not try for Eagle Scout rank. The family was very upset and based their lawsuit on the emotional pain inflicted upon Logan. Their lawyer hoped that, if anything, this lawsuit would change policies for future Scouts. This act also hurt the family in other ways. Logan's speech had been observed to have greatly improved since joining the program, as well as him getting to enjoy time with peers and testing his abilities. There was a good turn, however. The organizations and the family eventually came to an agreement. The lawsuit was dropped as the organization promised to provide a way for Logan to reach the rank of Eagle Scout. He will also be given an extended deadline past age 18, the usual deadline for boys in the program to achieve this award. Logan will also be permitted to keep all his previous merit badges. Said the release from Blythe's law firm, "Since Logan now has a path to the Eagle Scout rank, there is no need to pursue legal action." In conclusion, the Blythe family of Utah sued the Boy Scouts of America Foundation and others for discrimination. This occurred because 15-year-old Logan Blythe, who has Down syndrome, was denied a chance at Eagle Scout rank after being approved at a local level. This decision angered the Blythes, who decided to sue. However, the lawsuit was later dropped after the Boy Scouts of America Foundation said they would make possible ways for Logan to advance to Eagle Scout and maintain his current badges. This is my Works Cited page, and I got My Current Event from the Salt Lake Tribune. Both articles were written by Peyton Harkins, and the first one was published on March 17th and updated March 20th, and the second one was published on April 4th, 2018. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.